Imagine a busy accounting department with stacks of paperwork, excessive data entry, and inefficiencies lurking around every corner. Well, today, we're going to introduce a transformative approach that can revolutionize the way you do accounting. We're diving into the world of implementing lean accounting, a concept borrowed from the manufacturing industry that focuses on eliminating waste and increasing efficiency. One of the key principles of lean accounting is the identification and elimination of waste. Let's start with overproduction, a common issue in accounting. Overproduction occurs when we generate excessive reports, gather unnecessary data, or perform redundant tasks. By understanding the true needs of stakeholders and focusing only on essential information, we can eliminate this waste. Statistics reveal that companies can achieve a 30% reduction in process time by eliminating overproduction and unnecessary reports. Another form of waste is waiting. Waiting occurs when tasks are delayed or put on hold, resulting in idle time and decreased efficiency. In accounting, waiting can happen due to delays in approvals, dependencies on other departments, or inefficient communication channels. By streamlining workflows, setting clear deadlines, and improving communication, we can reduce waiting time and enhance productivity. Studies show that reducing waiting time can improve overall process efficiency by 25% or more. Next, let's address the waste of motion. In accounting, this can manifest as excessive movement, searching for documents, or navigating complex systems. By organizing workspaces, implementing efficient document management systems, and optimizing software interfaces, we can eliminate unnecessary motion and save valuable time. Did you know that reducing unnecessary motion can improve task completion time by up to 20%? Another area of waste in accounting is overprocessing. Overprocessing occurs when we perform more steps or analysis than necessary. It could be spending excessive time on reconciliations, conducting redundant reviews, or generating reports with too much detail. By focusing on essential tasks and streamlining processes, we can eliminate overprocessing and increase efficiency. Companies that have implemented lean accounting techniques report a 30 to 50% reduction in the time spent on overprocessing. Lastly, let's address the waste of defects and errors. Inaccurate data, mistakes in calculations, or errors in financial statements can have significant consequences. By implementing quality control measures, conducting regular reviews, and providing proper training, we can reduce errors and ensure data integrity. Studies reveal that reducing defects and errors can save companies up to 10% of their annual revenue. That's a remarkable impact on your bottom line. So, my fellow accountants, it's time to embrace lean accounting and eliminate waste from your processes. By identifying and addressing overproduction, waiting, motion, overprocessing, and defects, you can increase efficiency, reduce costs, and provide greater value to your organization. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more accounting insights. Share your experiences with lean accounting in the comments below, and let's streamline our accounting processes together. Until next time, happy lean accounting!